It's a date night emergency. I can't go in there with my hair looking like this. So let's use this hot hair brush. This one is Make Me Bold by Urban Yog 3-in-1 hot hair brush. You can use any. This one is used so that you can have a good blow dry hair look. Okay, I can give you links as well if you want. I bought this one for 2400 rupees and it is easily available on all the platforms. I really love this one. I have used it on different multiple occasions and believe me, I love the results. So today, let me tell you how to use it. Okay, just pull down the latch and connect this like this and rotate. It's loud. Okay, let me connect this wire. Jaldi jaldi se. We are all set, but quickly. So your hair needs to be 30% damp for this hairbrush to work in best efficient way. For sectioning, let me tie my hair in half. I also have this spray bottle of water. You can use this hairbrush without damping your hair, but this works in this best way, so I like to damp my hair. Now you have to apply this serum. I use this one by L'Oreal. Just a teeny tiny bit. This step also helps to detangle your hair for less hair fall. Step 3. Apply a mousse. I use this one for extra hold. Comment down below for any links you want. You have to shake it first. Squeeze just a little bit of this mousse. Rake it through your hair very nicely. This will give you a very good hold. And at the end, the most important, a heat protectant. I use this one by Be Blunt. These hairbrushes are very hot, so a heat protectant is very important for your hair. So it's very noisy. You have to spin this hairbrush in all the directions of your hair, making it curl from all the angles. You have to make sure it's not damp at all and it dries up. As you can see, I have ruined my sectioning, so let me tie that again. Okay, this looks done, but it is not. Believe me, you need your hair to be 110% dry because if you leave your hair wet, they will become frizzy at the end of the day. So you have to make them 110% dry. It takes a lot of work, I know, but believe me, it's good. It's worth it. While your hair is still hot, I like to put these rollers on. This gives you extra hold, better curves, and it's totally optional and tightly secure. I will do this with a claw clip. This section is done. Let's move on to others and do the same. Dampen first. Now serum. Here goes the mousse. And finally heat protectant. On high mode. Just comb your hair in all the directions, dry it from all the directions, rotate your hairbrush so that it gives you a good curl. You can see it's beautiful. You can leave it like this, but I like to put it in a roller for the curls to stay longer. I like to use a big size, jumbo size roller. If you like any links, I will give it to you. Comment down below. Comb it along your hair and secure it tightly. While your hair is still warm, secure it. I do it with a claw clip. Now another section. We will divide this section into four parts. So now I have decided to divide this section into two. Actually, let me prep it all together. That will save more time. Let's repeat the steps now. So serum first. Now mousse. Shake it. Take a small bit. Don't forget the baby hair in all this. Time for heat protectant by Be Blunt. This video is unsponsored. Now section your hair and let's get to it. Comes out to be a beautiful wave, but I like to put a roller on. Did I mention I put a jumbo roller? Now the front part, this is one of the most main section of your hair, so do it nicely. Small sections take less time. Again, roller time. I like to put my rollers outwards. Repeat the same on this section as well. Prep it together, then separate it afterwards. Repeat with me, girls. Serum, mousse, then heat protectant. Serum, mousse, then heat protectant. Remember to dry them 110% in all the directions. Now the back of the hair. Now dampen your hair again and remember serum, mousse, heat protectant. Serum, mousse, heat protectant. Make sure to do this part very nicely because it is one of the most important part. It will make or break your look. And remember to roll your rollers on outwards. I prefer it outwards for a better bounce. And voila. Let me just do my makeup and change my dress and come back. I'm done with my makeup and outfit. Let's open this up. This is my final look, and believe me, this stayed for 2 days. You can use a hairspray as well for more hold. And please like and subscribe for more such videos.